Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Good morning. It's my birthday. So we are done at the place and we are heading back to the office right now. We are inside the car, we are getting fuel at the fuel station. Yeah. See you guys later. I actually want to wear my skincare vitamin C serum, which has almost finished. It is so small now. My one but I am waiting for my food. So the one thing that I can say that this skincare does, this vitamin C serum does is that it just makes your skin fresh. It's not like it works for spots, dark spots, and that was what I thought it was for. But my face looks fresh. Like you touch my skin, there's no ulu ulu. But anyways, it has almost finished, and I don't think I'll be getting another one of this. I might just try Dr. Rachel vitamin C serum. Anyways, the place that we went to yesterday, they give us a thank you for coming package. Yay! Let me shoot this into the bag. This is the thanks for coming package. This bag is big. It has a zip. There's a zip, so it can secure anything that you want. So I love the bag shine. And I'm already thinking of tons of things that I'm going to use this bag to do. They also gave us this jotter, also gave us this pen. Plus refreshment. I also got a bag. Today is September 27th. My birthday was on September 9th. I got that bag before my birthday. And I've never showed you guys. I'm coming. Let me just use this opportunity to show you guys. I got this bag, this beautiful bag. I've started using it since then. Good morning. This is the year I met yesterday. Pimples, pimples, pimples everywhere. Like, I don't understand my skin, and I look darker. Anyways, I'll still continue to use skincare. Not because it's doing any work, but because I use my hard-earned money to buy it. I cannot just leave it like that just because it's not doing any work. So I also continue to use it.